The Anchorplex system is a retaining wall built with Anchor products and self-compacting structural backfill that meets Anchor wall system specifications and that is backed by engineering support tools developed by Anchor Wall Systems. Structural backfill is a formulated mix of clean stone, cement, and water, essentially concrete without the fines. It forms a permeable mass, which effectively increases the depth and mass of the retaining wall block facing and creates a free-draining zone directly behind the retaining wall units. To build an Anchorplex wall, use conventional installation techniques for both the leveling pad and retaining wall. There is just less excavation and less compaction. Place drain pipe according to the wall design. Once the wall units are stacked to a height of 2 feet, place the first lift of structural backfill behind the blocks. Work the mix into all voids between the blocks. The mix should be stiff enough to fill voids, but not leak through the face of the wall. The column of the mix for a single pour is typically 24 inches high. Structural backfill can be placed directly from a delivery vehicle, skid-type loader, or other equipment. Once the first pour is complete, wipe any debris from the top of the wall blocks and continue to stack the wall in 2-foot-high sections. When the pours are complete, place a layer of geotextile fabric over the structural backfill and up the back of the top 12 inches of block to act as a filter. Cap the final courses using standard installation procedures. Backfill and finish the project with grading.